Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and if you're looking for a nice convenient side dish or base for a main dish, then I want to show you this Ben's Original Variety Rice. This is the chili garlic flavor, and this is a really delicious flavor. It has a little bit of spice to it, but nothing crazy. It has a nice hit of garlic, and it's the perfect base for lots of dishes. So I love to use these for a quick lunch. You can throw on some leftover protein, a bunch of veggies on top, and you're good to go. And it cooks up very simply, either in the microwave for 90 seconds or you can heat it on the stove top as well. And it is a really tasty way to have a quick meal that is super convenient. You can just keep these on hand and grab them when you need them. So if you're looking for a tasty and convenient rice option, then I would check out this one from Ben's Original, the chili garlic flavor, and that's my point of view.